How to add WhatsApp link in Canva. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can install or set up the WhatsApp link or the WhatsApp discussion onto your Canva design or your website. So we are going to head over here the website. So I'm going to show you both methods. For example, you have a website. So I'm going to type in on Canva website. So if you are going to be on a website, you are going to be needing a third-party app or platform called Elfsite. So we are going to install a button onto it. So for example, this is the website. I'm going to click on edit and then we are going to see. Normally it is going to be published, but doesn't matter here. So it is already published. We are going to click on edit and then we are going to head over the Elfsite. From here, we're going to select from widgets, we are going to see chats. So we are going to select from chats, WhatsApp chat. Then we are going to create a widget for free. It will allow you to create one widget per item for free. So I have already created a widget, so we are going to see it. I'm going to click on edit. Then we are going to see the different steps. Here we have the preview of the widget. Here we have the number or WhatsApp link, number or link. So we are going to have it just like that. You are going to have here your number. This is a random number. Now for the content, you can manage or set up the bubble icon, the messages, the labels, and the welcoming messages and everything. You can set up everything from here, the appearances. Then you are going to publish it, and then you are going to click on install. Here, you cannot add an embed code to Canva, but instead you can share the link. These type of links are called smart links. So we are going to copy the link, head over here the website, then we are going to click on the apps. So we are going to click on apps, search for the Canva apps. This app is going to be called Embed, and then we are going to search for it. This is the app. I'm going to let you see here everything for it. I'm going to paste the smart link that we've had and click on add to design. You are going to see basically an app or a button for WhatsApp. So you're going to integrate it into this specific area. So this is the button. As you can see, it is going to take a form. Then you're going to publish your website. You're going to see it as it is. So you're going to publish it and make that specific button clickable. So with that, they can contact you within your website. So I'm going to click on preview and see the button. So it is going to be here. So whenever you are going to click on it, it will take place. Here I have a problem with the integration. So we need only to set it up again and again, and it will take place right away. So this is just a faulty, let's say, installation. For the cards, or let's say here the business cards, you can go ahead and click or type in business, for example, card, and then you're going to see the designs. For example, you can go ahead and integrate a design. I'm going to exit this. So we are going to type in here business card, then we are going to insert it. So for example, this one, I'm going to edit any type of card, customize it. I'm not going to use this platform, but rather I'm going to here delete this, and we are going to head over the elements. We are going to type in WhatsApp, and then we are going to see for the or seek for the icon that is going to be similar to it. If you are going to see them, every one of the icons is going to be paid. Go ahead and get your free one from Google. So you're going to have it just like that. So you are going to put it here and mention the name of it. For example, here, let's say one of the numbers is going to be WhatsApp, just like that. Or you can go ahead and set up the link by getting your WhatsApp link from the website of WhatsApp, and then you are going to put your link live. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.